Hi girls! Our lesson for today is about multiplying fractions. So this lesson is almost related with the lessons we had yesterday, wherein we multiply by whole numbers. But this time, both numbers are fractions. Okay? Multiplying fractions is similar to multiplying a whole number, just like what I told you a while ago, and a fraction. To multiply the fractions, only multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. For example, 3 over 5 times 1 over 2. So what we do is 3 times 1 and 5 times 2. Okay? The same as the lesson yesterday. Example 1. Franco ate some pizza. Two-thirds, we know it's 2 over 3 of pizza is left. Deandra ate 3/4 of the leftover. How much of a whole pizza did Deandra eat? So we will multiply 3/4 of 2/3. So I will be introducing you two ways on how we multiply. First is multiplying the numerator with the numerator. 3 times 2, we will get 6. And then denominator to the denominator. 4 times 3 will get 12. After that, we will get the GCF. As we all know, the GCF of 6 and 12 is 6. That's why you can see here we divide both sides by 6. 6 divided 6, that's 1. 12 divided 6, that's 2. And then that's the answer. I'll be teaching you the another way. Actually, you have idea about it already. So, it's the simplifying first. So, I told you, you have to check whether the numerator, in the numerator and the denominator, they have common factor. Is 3 and 4 having common factor? No. So, we'll check here. Is 3 and 3 having common factor? Yes, they have. They are both divisible by 3, right? So, 3 will divide by 3. 3 divided 3 will be 1. And also the side, 3 divided 3 will be 1. Okay, so we still have 2 and 4. We will check. Is 2 and 4 having common factor? Are they having common factor? Yes, they are both divisible by 2. So, we will divide both sides by 2. 2 divided 2 is 1. And 4 divided 2 is 2. That's how we do the cancellation. After that, after simplifying or doing cancellation, we will now multiply. The numbers left here is 1 and 1. 1 times 1 will give us 1. And 2 times 1 will give us 2. You will still go back to the first step, which is multiplying numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. But the thing is, now it's already simplified. We don't need to do this stuff. Okay, so that means Deandra ate 1/2 of the whole pizza. Alright, let's go to the next example. Okay, let's go to the next one, next page. So, to find the area of a rectangle, multiply the length and the width. So, as you can see, find the area of the rectangle with a length of 3/4 inch and a width of 5 over 9 inch. So as what they said a while ago, we have to multiply the length and the width to get the area of a rectangle. So I will be using this part to solve for it. 5 over 9 multiplied by 3 over 4. For me, I advise to use the same cancellation first before multiplying, because that's a lot more easier because the numbers are smaller. You don't need to get the GCF of a very bigger number. Go ahead, let's try. 5 and 9, do they have common factor? No. 5 and 4, do they have common factor? No. Let's try this one. 3 and 9, do they have common factor? Yes, by 3. Correct. So 3 divide 3, that's 1. And 9 divide 3 is 3. After that, I'll check if they have common factor. 5 and 3 don't have. 5 and 4 again don't have. After cancellation, we can do now multiplication. Okay, 5 times 1, we get 5 over 3 times 4, we'll get 12. Okay, so the answer is 5 over 12. Both of this one is also 5 over 12. Cancellation is a lot more easier because if you will multiply it first before simplifying, the number is very big. And the good thing about it is you don't need to simplify because you already did it here. Okay, let's have more example. Let's have this one. 1 over 7 times 1 over 2. In this case, the numerators are both 1, so we cannot simplify anything. They're in simplest form already. But we have to multiply, of course. 1 times 1, that's 1. And 7 times 2, that's 14. Okay, also this one, 1 over 14. Okay, let's go to the next example. Alright, in independent practice, I will be giving one more example and you do the rest. Okay, also the word problem, please do it, especially this one. Please do it until 15. Don't forget to take a picture of it and send it to me personally. I will check each of your work. Just tell me your name so that I can record it. Okay, so last one example. So again, in multiplying fractions, first step, you can check if you can simplify the numbers. Okay, let's see. 3 and 10, do they have GCF or do they have common factor? No. 3 and 6, do they have common factor? Yes. Both of them are having 3 as a GCF. So we'll divide both sides by 3. 3 divided 3 will get 1. And 6 divided 3 will get 2. Okay? How about the other numbers? There are still numbers that we have. We'll check also 5 and 10. Do they have common factor? Yes. They are both divisible by 5. So 5 divided 5 will get 1. And 10 divided 5 will get 2. Okay? After that, after simplifying the numbers, we can now multiply numerator with numerator. 1 times 1 will get 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 will get 4. Okay? So that is our answer, 1 over 4. Alright? I want you to take a picture of your book doing these things and also the word problem and send it to me. Thank you, girls. Bye.